Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mechanical Zone. In this video, we will discuss about free body diagram and I will give some examples how to draw free body diagram. So let us directly come into topic. What is free body diagram? Free body diagram is nothing but defined as the diagram in which the body is isolated from all supports and those supports are replaced by corresponding reactions and string tensions, etc. That diagram is called as free body diagram. So basically in free body diagram what we do, we remove all supports, uh, then we provide support reaction at that point, and support reaction is always perpendicular to the surface and which is always radially inward, whereas we remove tension or we remove string if that is connected to the body. In that case what we do, we provide tension which is radially outward, again weight which is always vertically downward, and if any other external forces, if that is given, we mention that. So we need to follow few steps in order to draw free body diagram. So let us briefly discuss those. You need to isolate the body which is in the question from all other bodies and surroundings. Indicate the external forces acting on the body including its self weight. The magnitude and direction of the known external forces should be mentioned in the free body diagram. The support reactions and string tensions on the body should be clearly indicated along with the direction. So last but not the least, here clearly mark all the dimensions on the FBD. FBD means free body diagram. So all the dimension means if radius is given or diameter is given, if some angle is given, you need to mark those dimensions clearly in your free body diagram. So let us draw few free body diagrams. This is our first example where our body is kept on only a surface at A and body has a weight of W. Let us draw a free body diagram of that body. So diagram will be something like this. This is the body. This is the step 1. Isolate the body from all supports or other bodies. As other bodies are not present, only supports are there. Indicate the external force. No external force is acting on the body, only self weight which is vertically downward always. It's already shown in the figure. Then magnitude and direction. Magnitude I have already mentioned as W. Third, the support reactions. In this support reaction there is no string tension, only support reaction is there. Third, we need to replace the support reaction and we need to provide it by a force which is Ra. We mentioned support reaction as R and as it is acting on point A, Ra, and it is always perpendicular to the surface, and we have marked all the dimensions. With this we have completed our first free body diagram. This is the free body diagram of that figure. So let us go to the next question where we will draw a second free body diagram which is a bit difficult than that. So a body is hanging from a wall and is getting supported at point B. So let us draw it. So first step, isolate the body from all supports. The body is being isolated from all supports. Body is isolated. Then after that what we will do, indicate the external forces. No external forces is acting, only self weight at point C. Self weight is acting which is vertically downward and value is W. As it is not shown, I have mentioned W. Then magnitude and direction already we have shown. Then support reaction and string tensions on the body should be clearly indicated. So let us do the support reaction. Support reaction at point B. We have replaced the support wall by a support reaction as it is on point B. We have mentioned it RB, which is radially inward. Then the string tension. String tension is always radially outward. So as it is acting, we at point A, as we always mention string tension as T, as it is acting on point A, mentioned it as T, which all must pass through the center. And we have marked all the dimensions, all the points carefully. With this, the free body diagram of the second figure we have completed. After that, let's go to another difficult one. In this body, the body is there in angular section. Let us draw the free body diagram. First step, isolate the body from all supports and other bodies. Other bodies are not present, only supports are there. We have isolated the body. Then external forces, there is no external forces, only self weight is there. Let us show the self weight. As it is not shown, I have shown it as W acting at point C. Then I have shown the direction. Then magnitude is W. After that, we will do support reaction. There is no string tension, only support, but at 2 points, let's do the support reactions. At point A, the support reaction will act like this. This is RA, as it is acting on point A, and at point B, the support reaction is RB at point B, and the angle should be like this. As this point, it is making beta angle. By using some formulas of the triangle, you will get this will be 90 degree minus beta, and this angle will be, as it is making alpha angle, this angle will be 90 degree minus alpha. You can better know like this. If you draw a perpendicular, as our reaction is perpendicular to the surface, this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 minus alpha. Similarly, in case of beta, you can easily clearly do that calculation. So we have done the free body diagram for the third figure. Let us go to the next figure, which is a bit difficult than this. Here we have two bodies. See, we have to draw free body diagram for two bodies. So let us do it simultaneously. This is body 1, this is body 2. Here mark no external forces acting, mark the self weight. As it is not mentioned, I have marked it as W1, W2. Here we have shown the direction of weight, which is vertically downward. After that, magnitude W1, W2. Then we have to remove all the supports. There is no string reactions, and it is not attached to any string. There is no string reactions. We have removed supports in order to, so at this point A is acting. This is RA acting at point A. Similarly, RB acting at point B. Like that, RC acting at point C. So as it is not mentioned, you need to mark this point as D, as it is two bodies are connected, and you need to show the dimension at point RD. This is RD and RD. For this, it is axially inward. As I said, it is radially inward, and for this case, it is also radially inward. This is RT. After that, if angle is not given, but in case of your numericals, angle will be given. As angle is not given, I am taking it as alpha, this as beta. So this angle will be 90 degree minus alpha. This angle will be 90 degree minus beta. Similarly, this angle will be 90 degree minus beta, as it is on the same plane. Similarly, likewise, this angle will be 90 degree minus alpha, and this angle will be same 90 degree minus alpha. Like that we can draw free body diagram easily. So you need to mention, you need to mark 5 steps, or we need to follow that 5 steps. First, isolate the body from all other bodies and supports, then indicate the external forces if it is acting, and self weight also, then mention its direction and magnitude. After that, remove all support reactions and strings. In case of supports, mention it by support reaction, and in case of strings, mention it by string tension, and clearly show its magnitude and direction. After that, if any dimension, other dimension that is left in the free body diagram, you do, or you show that dimension. After that, your free body diagram will be complete. So hope this video will help you to draw free body diagram of various types of bodies. So don't forget to like, share the videos, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much to you all.